Yep. Yippers.
Good job.
Yep, thank you. Oh.
Scared me a little.
And there goes the dash cam.
That's just as good as being on the window.
It's almost just as good.
Yeah. Indoor garage sale here. Okay.
Okay,
You ready?
let's go.
Okay.
We'll fix the dash cam when we get back.
Okay.
Smell skunk.
Do you?
Yeah.
I didn't smell it. Good morning.
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 How are you?
Good.
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 Oh, good. Sold. Oh, what's this here?
$5.
Oh, yeah. Totally.
You're gonna grab that?
Yeah. Can you grab it? I don't know if I can reach that high. Good job. You want me to carry it or you got it?
Yeah,
or?
you go ahead.
Okay. Wonder if it goes in there. Or if that's just... Oh, no, that's just packing material.
Makes sense though, that's probably what it was in.
Yeah, probably.
Hey, Karen, how you doing?
Hey, what are you doing here?
This is my brother's shop, so this is all the stuff we had in storage here.
Oh.
So you'll never see me work in one of these things.
Are you interested in that?
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Okay, that box, if you want to put it in the...
Oh, okay. You want to throw it in there? You haven't met Rob, have you? Rob Kelly? Kelly Rob?
Kelly.
you.
Aquarius.
Oh, okay.
He owns Aquarius.
Something kicked in, like these or whatever.
Yeah.
All of a sudden I got a big whiff of weed.
So did I.
Yeah, marijuana smoke.
That's what I think he smelled earlier. I don't think it was skunk.
No. Wow, look at that speaker.
Oh my God, it's huge.
That is a big speaker, $7.
Tennis racket restringer.
Oh, you
Like-
can restring a tennis racket.
Weird.
That's an odd thing to just
I didn't know
have here.
it was a machine that did that.
Yeah, you can't.
Stretch it hard
Possibly.
enough. Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah.
Is there, there's stuff in there too. No, nothing we need. I bet these desks are just right heavy.
Yes.
Oh, fire hydrant.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if that's for sale. That'd be cool. But where would we put it, I guess?
Yeah.
Well, like outside, obviously, but.
And then our luck, the neighbor would have a fire and the fire department would try and hook up to it. And we'd be like, no. You
Well, you'd have to put it in the back.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I used to have this exact dishwasher. I mean, not this one, but it was a dandy. It was this.
Oh, really?
Yep. And countertop
counters-
dishwasher.
Oh my
and you hook
goodness.
up to your tap.
You sure can't fit very much in there.
No, it's. I used to have this thing, man.
I used it twice and then I actually got a live-in dishwasher.
That is funny to see that again. This was great for the bachelor that hated doing dishes, man. And that was me.
And it takes the pods just like the normal dishwashers.
Yeah.
Never had a problem with it the time I used it.
Well,
Yep.
it's $5, eh?
I think so, yeah.
No.
There's
Is this anything? No.
no.
Okay.
There's extra
Bits.
crystals and there's chandelier cleaner.
Oh, cool.
Bottomless chandelier cleaner. I think
Right
it's
on.
partial bottle, but
That's okay.
Yeah, it's about half full.
I was just saying that you just used all yours.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice, but they're horrible to clean.
$5?
$5?
Do we just pay you or
Pay me.
Okay.
done?
You're carrying that likewise.
Yeah, I know.
He has a bad shoulder.
I
or
screwed
that's
up-
what he keeps
I
telling
screwed up
me
my
anyway.
shoulder and-
Yeah.
Normally I would have grabbed that, but
Don't worry, I'll milk it.
I'm
I'll
having
go
a
for the
bad
rest of the
shoulder
day.
day today.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks. See ya.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah.
$5.
Yeah. That's a steal.
Yeah.
Oh, you made it. Yeah, I said you made it.
Hang out.
Yeah, I think so.
Smell good.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
What the hell? Is that you or is that him?
Hey, that's one of the Gary's.
If I could find the guy, I'd ask him. I'd ask him to share.
I said, come on, Karen, don't go smoking reefer and then come in here.
I know. It's like,
weird thing.
yeah. I was like, woo.
Where's the weed? Where's the weed?
It's this guy. It's no, it has to be Karen.
Yeah.
That's the world we freaking live in now, right? So
Yeah, you can smell it out here.
Like it's like,
Gary's
it's really skunky out here.
All right. Okay. Let's
Well, we could just sit like this,
Hey, everybody.
and then it's like, oh, it is straight. Oh,
Hey.
yeah.
But the truck's all crooked.
We parked on a hill.
I'll fix it.
Need to come.
Yeah. Why you gotta do this to me, camera?
No, now when there's no water anymore. I don't know what my eyes are wearing. I could rub my eye on it.
Come on. Yeah. Okay. So, chandelier for $5.
I know.
What a good deal.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to see what kind of crystals and stuff are on there, but I'll probably resell that one. It's
And the guy was saying that there's some extra crystals. There's some in a bag in there, and it comes with chandelier cleaner.
that's excellent. I have one more to do. I cleaned 4.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I have 2 more, but some of them are newer, so they don't need cleaning yet.
Right on.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's excellent. Surprised it was still there.
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, thanks again for coming along with us. We love having you. Just a reminder, now's the perfect time to get down there. Make sure you're subscribed, hit those bell notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and give us a like while you're down there. And we'll see you next time. On to the next.
I always see you walking over to the neighbor on the other side there.
Yeah. What's funny about 2 doors down is how many people I can actually know. I know your wife. So
You're kidding.
Oh yeah,
no
there's one
way.
guy. Yeah. Well, the alternative of what the gangbangers.
Oh,
are,
yeah,
so
I mean, this is-
way better.
yeah.
Way better. At least.
And they're nice ladies. Like, we
Nice
say hi.
ladies.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just-
You know.
I know. They're out there pulling their weeds
Yeah.
when they're not pulling something. Yeah.
$100 an hour, man.
See?
They have a website. Did you go?
No, I don't.
Totally.
Go. I have
No,
the
no,
card.
but on the website. You have to check out their website because it's hilarious. $100 an hour, and then
What was it
something you can negotiate when you're there. Yeah, it's worded where it's like, I know what that means.
Because we had a good laugh about it, eh?
Yeah, we did. What dude doesn't want a sandwich after,
Yeah.
right? I mean, we should just have a vending machine out there.
Yeah.
That's right.
Oh,
That's
and
what a guy wants.
and
Everybody
there's a shower there. You can shower there.
That's
Yeah.
gross.
Nice.
That is gross.
Isn't that gross?
Bring it.
Oldest
Yeah.
profession.
Yeah,
That's right.
it is. It is. And they must be making money.
Hand over fist.